The front pulley right there. 24mm of a turn that, and then 15mm up in there, and then I already moved these hoses from out here. All these hoses are moved. So look at the big turbo out there, man. It's huge. It's supposed to give you some real good boost. Axles out already. All that out. So I'm just taking out these bolts now, right here, and then move the motor mounts and a few more stuff up top, and then it should be on the ground. All right, keep watching. Yeah, 15mm with a long ratchet. Yeah, because these boys are real tight, so you gotta put this long 1/4" ratchet with a short extension, because it's so tight against the block. And then you pull off. Or you can use ear ratchet, but I rather use this one. You pull here and bust. Yeah. Bust it now. Then reach up, put it on in there. See it right there, and then you try and take him out. All right, continue to the next one. All right, yeah, transmission out. I just to make a bar across the top here because I didn't want to spend money on buying an engine support tool. So I get a piece of iron, put a chain on it, put it across the wood, tape it at both ends, and then hold the engine up. Alright, so, yeah, transmission out. Then that's up there. I take the flex plate off because I'm checking the rear main seal. I think the rear main seal maybe have a slight leak somewhere, so taking off this plate to check the rear main seal and see if it's leaking. Okay, I'll be right back. Now I'm doing the rear main. This is the old one, old rear main seal. See, it was leaking oil right in there. Leaking a little oil in that seal area right there. So I'm replacing that rear main seal right there. I'm gonna go get the new one, and I'll be back. Yes sir, rear main. But yeah, viewers and subscribers, good morning. Time for putting new rear main seal. New rear main seal from the box. See, brand new rear main. I'm gonna change on the Passat. So this is where we start. Yeah, then we're gonna go up there and check it out. Make sure it fit. The other one was wrong. So I just went back and buy a new one, another one. I have to return the other one. So, right back. Alright, so this is the next one. The one I went to Napa and get last night. This is gonna be the right one. The one I have yesterday was wrong. So now I'm gonna go up here, you know, do a little cleaning off the surface and then put it all in, and then I'll come back and show you how it works, final product, and then we're gonna start putting back everything together. All right, so stay tuned, keep watching, and we'll be right back. Yeah, before you put the seal up, gotta put some RTV on that side, and then you put some RTV on this side and this side, just for make sure it doesn't leak. Make sure you put your engine shield, or between the shield between the engine and the transmission back first, and then you put your bolt and torque them back. I'll have to get the specification for the torque for that, and then put it back. Alright, stay tuned, watch, work with me. Okay, I got the bolts in and the seal plate right there, so I'm gonna tighten them up and then try and start put everything back together. So there you go, rear main seal install. All right. Yeah, just change output shaft torque converter, see right there, and that's the new one, part number. Yeah, so I'm putting that together right now, and then it's time for this baby to go in. All right, so keep watching. Yeah, the torque converter seal was bad, it was leaking. I had to change it, leaking oil coming out, so I changed that. So that's it for now, keep watching. Transmission is back in the car, just to put in back the rest of stuff like the starter, connect off the wires, and put back the axles, and basically the rest. I didn't want to bore you guys, you know, so while I was doing it, so just want to show you that it's back in the car and waiting to put the rest back tomorrow. Alright, this end of the day now, so I'm not gonna get it done today. Yeah, back in the car, just waiting to finish the rest tomorrow. Alright, so catch you in the next one. Alright, talk. Passat 2.0 turbo. Can't wait to see this thing run. Alright. Never run since I get it. So I'm just hoping that everything works right, because this was a used transmission. So hope it works great. Alright, I'll let you know what happened next, guys. Subscribers, see, I paint the caliper. I did the axle. Right there, put all the axles back. Yeah, bolt them all in, put them in. Didn't want to board it. Didn't want to board you guys while I was doing this. I even put on that axle up there, I put a new boot on that, so a boot kit. I didn't want to change the axle. So now basically everything is basically back in this thing. Whoa. Yeah, everything is basically back in this thing. So it's almost ready to go, you know, almost ready now, just to put in my coolant. See, everything back together basically, and it's just to put in there. The calipers painted, transmission back in car, all axles, everything. Alright, so it's on the final step now, to put in the transmission fluid, the coolant, and then we should start. Alright. Yeah, installing back front bumper and putting back everything together. Yeah, it's going all back together now with all the lights and everything. Alright. Yeah, it's coming together. Yeah, Passat all finished, transmission in car driving now, looking good. Yeah, right. Looking for the further things to do on this now. Let's get the that fender replaced and get 4 tires, and she should be nice. All right. Look forward for the next videos that's coming on this car. All right.